Welcome to my channel, Clark the Realtor. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Davon Clark, your local Metro Atlanta real estate expert. Today we will be touring the Lithia Springs area of Georgia. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and put your notifications on to be alerted when new videos get uploaded to the channel. And if you are a current subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining us. As you guys know, I try to do on this channel a mixture of different properties throughout the Metro Atlanta area. All of them won't be what everyone wants to see, but I want to show you all what you can get in different price levels in the area. All right, I want to tell you a little bit about these new construction homes. This one is a detached single 2-story traditional craftsman house, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It is 2,804 square feet on a slab foundation with an unfinished basement. This neighborhood services schools, elementary-wise Sweetwater, middle school-wise Factory Shaws, and high school-wise Lithia Springs. It has a driveway with a 2-car garage in the front of the house. It is an open floor plan in the living room and kitchen area with hardwood vinyl flooring throughout the house, equipped with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. The laundry room is on the 2nd level. This community has an HOA of $500 annually. These homes are currently priced in the high 300 to low 400Ks. This community is offering a 2-year buy-down interest rate of 3.99%. Then it locks at 4.99% the 3rd year, bringing your estimate monthly payment the first 2 years to $2,626. You are minutes away from the downtown Atlanta area. If you would like more information in regards to this home, reach out to me. My email is below. Happy viewing. I hope to hear from you soon, and welcome to Atlanta. Let's continue the tour.
I knew.
Baby, you give butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
We are coming to the end of this house tour. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My email is below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.